Welcome back to the series of Incredible Bharat, truly presented by Growth Biz. Today we will talk about thread and needle, which is known by the name Sui Dhaga. India has a rich history in the production of needles and threads, with a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern manufacturing. The country is a key player in the global market, both in terms of production and trade. The industry continues to evolve with technological advancements and shifting market demands as well. Modern needles are primarily manufactured from steel and stainless steel. The process involves stamping, grinding, and polishing to create the final product. High precision machinery is used to ensure sharpness and durability. Threads are produced from both natural and synthetic fibers. The manufacturing process involves spinning raw fibers into yarn, which is then dyed and twisted into threads. Significant needles production centers include countries like Germany, China, and the United States. These countries have advanced manufacturing technologies and established supply of chains. When we particularly talk about threads, major producers include China, India, and several Southeast Asian countries. These regions benefit from a combination of low labor cost and strong textile industries. However, coming to needles, India imports a significant portion of its needles, particularly high quality and specialized types. Major suppliers include countries like China and US. India also exports needles, but the scale is smaller compared to the imports. India is a major player in the global thread market. It both imports and exports thread, with substantial exports to the United States, Europe, and other regions. Major thread producing states in India include Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Needle import value is approximately $250 to $300 million annually, with a volume of around 1,000 to 2,000 metric tons per year. Whereas exports are valued approximately at $150 to $200 million annually, and volume is around 500 to 1,000 metric tons per year. Thread import value is approximately $2.5 to $3 billion annually, with a volume of around 2 lakh to 3 lakh metric tons per year. Exports are valued at approximately $2 to $2.5 billion annually, and volume is around 150,000 to 250,000 metric tons per year. Stay tuned for more updates.